crippling parts of the Northeast.
Typhoon Mawa is
Here's a satellite image of that so-called atmospheric river.
We are tracking deadly extreme weather from coast to coast.
Malaysia is prone to stormy monsoon at the end of the year. Heavy rains expected to continue.
All of this natural disaster can be reduced if you are having me as a hero. Who am I? I am a mangrove tree. I know you guys must be thinking that I am just a tree. Well, I am not. I'm a mangrove. I am the part of the environment. I have a strong roots. Not too strong, but plenty of roots. These roots are useful for the marines. I'm the part of the heroes. The actual heroes is the human, because they are only the living that could put the world back to the original state. All these water bottles are not mine. I absorb water so that I can proceed with the photosynthesis. I have a lot of benefits to the humans.
Mangrove plantations are very beneficial and it gives many support to the environment. Mangrove can give a coastal protections where mangrove act as a natural barriers against the natural disasters like storms, hurricanes, and tsunami. The dance of the mangrove root systems and vegetations help to reduce the impact of the waves, and the roots also help to protect coastal communities from erosions and flooding. Moreover, mangroves are very rich ecosystems which helps to provide a habitat and breeding grounds for numerous species of marine life living under the water. The marine life species relies on the mangrove for their shelters and food for their further breeding processes.
Another benefits of mangrove is bolster animal and fish populations. For many marine animals, the complicated root system acts as vital necessary habitats, allowing them to browse and grow while being safe from predators. The Smithsonian Ocean described the leaf as the foundation of the coastal food web, or the nutrient-rich layer of decomposition that creep between the roots. According to a different NOA research, the roots assist in filtering agricultural runoff, heavy metals, pesticides, and other contaminants from the water that evaporates from the land. Mangrove preserve the clarity and quality of the water as a result.
After all the benefits I could give, I hope that humans could help me in a few things.
Read more about mangroves and share the knowledge with others. When people understand the importance of mangroves, the stronger the movement for the protection and the conservation of the resources. Volunteer for any mangrove planting activities if there are any, such as community services. Usually this type of activity is done by the educational institution, non-government organization, and sometimes the government. Give it a try to volunteer for any of these activities. It will be best to get engaged and help nurture back the resources.
The third is reduce single-use plastic consumption. So, how does single-use plastic relate to mangrove? Well, it's not a secret that plastic is overwhelming our ocean as it enters via rivers and streams at unprecedented rates. The last one is protect existing mangrove, which is red mangrove extend their roots into the water. Once mangrove die, it becomes challenging to reintroduce and regrow them into certain areas. That's why it's best if we try to conserve the one we already have.